This narrow blue zone could be the weakest point in your weld, unless you treat it right.
Today, we'll explore the third goal of post-weld heat treatment, softening the heat-affected zone, and why it's critical for weld integrity.
The heat-affected zone is the area next to the weld that experienced high heat during welding but didn't melt. Here, the steel's microstructure can become hard and brittle, a dangerous combination in service.
If left hard, the HAZ can crack under stress or impact. By softening it during PWHT, we restore ductility, making it safer and more reliable.
After PWHT, the heat-affected zone becomes softer and more uniform, making it easier to machine and less prone to brittle cracking.
Softening the HAZ isn't just science, it's safety. If you found this useful, hit like and share it with your fellow engineers.
To watch the full PWHT Goals series, check out the playlist linked here.